Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to Archit Gaming. Today we are going to cover two topics in one video. Okay, so please watch till the end and I will be sorry if this video is too long. The first thing is that there have been a new thing that I wanted to test. Okay, so today what we are gonna do is test all the guns and see which gun is the best, and we are gonna tell you which gun is the best for using season 9, as many new guns have came and every people are confused. Should I use ICR? Should I use AK? Should I use HVK? Many guns have come, no? DRH, like that. So, and kilovolt action also we are going to test. So let's see which gun is the best. And after this, I'm gonna tell you another thing. As you all know, a new mood has come, snipers only, and we are gonna go and test out. Is it a nice mood or a bad mood? And do you wanna do a lucky draw, whole lucky draw you want to do? So I will do the whole lucky draw and show you how lucky draws are, and I will play with a legendary gun. Okay. So please hit like button. Okay, first with the number 1 one, KRM. Let's test the KRM first. Okay, let us do 5 meters first. Okay, if we hit headshot then 158 only. See, I hit headshot only 158, but if I hit body shot then 288. Okay. You should hit body. And let's test on 10 meters. 170 headshot and 150. You will not give headshot with KRM. Body shots is the best. Let us start with 3 meters. Only 32. Okay. So KRM is shotgun, so obviously we can start. Now next is what? HBR 800. 5 meters for short range. Let's take short range. 26 for body. And no shot. 28 body, 26. So legs 26, body 26, and head. So you should try to get headshot, and body also good. Let's take for mid range. Okay, it's not bad for mid range, you can play, but I don't think the long range is good for you. Yeah, no, don't try with me. Now DRH is my very nice gun. This was my favorite gun. This is one of my favorite guns. Okay, first 5 meters short range. Legs 32, body 32 also. And headshot 38. Okay, so DRH is a very good gun, and I think the 2-3 shots in the head. So also good for mid range and let's say long range. Not so nice, but anyway. Now snipers. Slot number 2. Let's test out with RT.50. Obviously we will do long range for RT. Headshot 40. Okay. Oh, 128 for body and headshot 140. Okay, good. And let's say close range, then 144, 90. Okay. And now 30 meters. Let's see. Okay, same. MB21 EBR. Let's take mid range. Oh, MB2 bar is not so bad, but is obviously not better as RT.50. You cannot one shot it. If it's not headshot, you cannot one shot it. Okay, remember that. If it's not headshot, now DL2333 is the best sniper as I think it should be. It is a very good sniper. best sniper as of now. SPR 50 is the worst sniper, as you all can see. If headshot only 110 and body 56. It is bad than the MBEBR also. Nothing to say. And this is the Locust good sniper like RT.50. Outro I don't like, so no point in testing. Okay, let's test Outro also. Outro is also a bad gun like MB2VR. Or a little better than MB2VR. You can do it on shot. Now HPK 30. Let's do close range. Okay, not a nice gun, but okay, means mid. I will rate this mid. Headshot 26, body and legs 20. Now SG40 has got a buff, so I think so it should be good. Yeah. Good. It's a good gun. Like again, I wish you could use probably in short range it's good, short and mid range, but in long range not a good gun. GKS has also got a buff, so it's a little bit better now. Headshot 28. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going fast now. 36 for headshot and 28. Oh, you got 2 shot. You got 2 to 3 shot kill in a headshot. Wow, GK is then a good gun. Now Quad Dye. Quad Dye has got a nerf, so it is now a bad gun. It's not a bad gun, it's a little bit. Again mid range. But as for its West 790 is a good gun. Yeah, good gun. I can use it. Now QQ9. QQ9 let us test from 25 for mid range. It is not a good gun for mid range. And now close range. Oh yeah. It is the best gun for close range QQ9. You should use it in season 9. Opponent QQ9. SPK done. Asmo is now a very nice gun as it got a very nice gun. See. I am all recommend you to use it in short gun range and mid range. It is also good at mid range. So I think I will now be using Asmo. Nano for not nice gun as I know from it's a good gun, but I don't know. It is not working. Now let's go to LK24. LK24 also a nice gun, I think so. Yeah, it is a new nice gun. It is a very nice gun. I don't know. ICR1. This is a new nice gun. Yeah. Again, not my style, but mid-range. Like there are so many nice guns now, and these let's test their shot. And UL so everyone knows it's not a nice gun, and for LMG and all, so it's not no point testing. But I think so, yeah. M4 UL got a buff right now, so let's test UL. Yeah, UL is a now a little bit good one, but not. As you all know, like before. And now shotgun, Striker. Striker, it gave me battle pass number. Oh, it is a close one. Yeah, it is a nice gun, nice shotgun. Like 2 to 3 shots you can kill anybody. By 15, first HP. Oh no, like a striker, only 2-3 shots you can do. And I think it's done. Now Now let's test chopper. Oh, chopper is a good gun. And now the final and last, the kilo bolt action. I may have missed some guns like from before also, and everyone knows that they are not nice guns. So I don't know. Oh, headshot you can do 1 kill, and body you can do 1 kill if you are nice at aiming. Leg you can. Okay. And some parts of the body 1 kill, and some parts don't have 1 kill. Okay, I hope you all have done. And now let's test out the new mode. Snipers only. I told you it could be a nice, could be a long video. I'm really sorry if it's a wrong video. Please, I tested out every gun. Okay, I tested almost every gun, not every gun. Like BK57, everyone knows it's a mid gun. You all have used, and you must have experience. I have done the new what everyone is using, like ICR1 I tested, HVK, which are the new guns, and not new guns, but basically now everyone is using. I've seen many people use that one. So I tested them, not the season 1, season 2 guns. So where is the sniper only? Actually, the only problem I don't snipe is because I don't have an epic or a legendary skin of sniper. That's it. I don't even have an epic skin of snipers. I only have epic skin of rifles, submachine guns and all. Because I started playing from season 6. Hey guys, how did I come in between again? Magic, wow. I just changed my sensitivity settings also. If you want to see my sensitivity settings, then drop down a comment. Hi guys. Oh, this is again another one.
You've taken the lead.
Okay.
We lost the lead.
I'm really sorry. But you game, I'm not gonna join you, okay? Understand or not understand? Tell me. You need to understand. Yeah. Please help me hit 100 subs. I have only 30 subs now. Please help me reach 100 subs. Then I will do my hand cam also. Okay. Then I will do hand cam, and I will also. And my quality of stream will also be, and I will edit also nicely. I will take a membership of a nice app of editing, and then you will get such nice things like montages and all. And ELQ3 streamed. This is the only nice gun thing I have till now in sniper of ELQ3 and other things.
Sniper! Taking the lead. It's too close to fight harder. We've taken the lead. Reloading. Reload and cover me. We tied for the lead. We lost the lead. Turret is ready.
Oh no. Sorry for the background noise that happened today. Oh no. Actually, some program is happening today.
Get down, sniper!
We are losing. We are really losing. How? How, man?
I got shot. Got shot.
Oh no, no. marker here. Really? I want to test if I get a nuke. I can get a nuke with this mode. But obviously I can't get it. So sniper, so it's really rare to get a nuke with this sniper.
Sniper!
I've only got once with a nuke with a sniper. Oh, hit markers! It's just tapping hit markers, bro. Please. See? I did 2 times and all hit markers. No, bro. Why?
Bring it up, squad.
See, again hit markers. Oh no, yaar. I'm not gonna play more. Very bad mode. Please don't play.
Down. Need backup.
First kill. Okay. Yes. Why is not? Okay. We lost. So that was the new snipers mode. We will only use snipers. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be coming back. Bye bye.